out this morning, got to drop these lures in the water. I got Rev with me, and I also got surprise guest here, guys, Real Flankers. So I don't know if you guys remember Real Flankers dropping that Missouri inshore saltwater kit that we're about to get some of those tested on today. So what better time to do it than test it with him, right? That's what's up, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Stay tuned. And you want a video light too? What you say? What you say? You want a video light too, doggy? Come, you want a video light? Tell him what you say. Tell him what you say. See, Puppy them want to go fishing to this man. Video light. Let's say video light this man pop up. That's right. That's what's up. Love animals, guys. Then why you talk after I move the camera? That's what's up, guys. We got these guys out. So we out tonight. We out this morning, guys. About to push out and see what we can pick up. I seen David come up a while ago. He didn't get anything, and David is a pro. So he said they might have came in late to give it a shot anyways. I'm still going to go down and give it a shot. So let's try it. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Running that spoon lure first, guys. And see if I can get any attention here in this dirty water. Look how much boat up on the horizon out there, man. I might just tie up a mono lead for this and not bother with the wire lead. You guys tied up? When we wait for come fishing to tie up, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna switch this off plastic up, guys. Out with Real Flankers. Now General here. I use ½ ounce, quarter ounce. Yo, come and walk. Yeah, guys, so moving around down here, man. This pig feces smell horrible. Pig shit. Not good. But walking and moving, guys. Ooh, I just see movement. You see one movement over here, so look a while. Yeah. Nothing on the soft plastic so far, guys. Cast out. Yo, keep tension on your line here. Good deal. Movements. That's how we do it. Chop and go, guys. Oh shit, I just defocused my camera on the tree. Yeah, chop and go, guys. That's how we do it. We got Real Flankers down there. General down there, so I see him where. We have some activity right here. You hear me? Bait activity. You don't see that? Look a while. You see it? There's big fish feeding in here, guys. I think this is working anymore, guys. I'm gonna switch off, go to crystal minnow. Crystal minnow Missouri, guys. Might be too shallow for this lure here, who knows. Or I might have to get wet and get it. But we're gonna take it around to the riverside. Yo, may I go around by the river? Take your time, you know. Cause yes, I get look a bit shallow. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Yeah, it hurts. We'll cut through here. Somebody been camping down here all night fishing. Hey guys, running through here this morning, see what we can pick up on the river mouth. David said, try my luck, they might have came in late. The snook runs in and out of the river. Either they run on the river or they're running on the ocean front, which in here is pretty deep. You can cast all throughout here along these mangroves and pick snooks up. I've lost a few lures here before, not good. Lost soft plastics, bucktail jigs, all kinds of stuff here, guys. So, pick up yourself. Thank you for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Please like, share, subscribe. Definitely getting this river mouth, guys. Yo, this is the perfect bar mouth to fish. This place contains a lot of fish. I'm getting chased by a little jack. I'm gonna try a different tactic though. Yeah, I'm gonna bounce it off the bottom. Switch off the Zori and go Texas jig. Go against the mangroves. When you have soft plastics, you go against the trees, the fish love to hide up underneath the trees. So what you're trying to do is get a cast in there as close as possible, let it sink, and bounce it off the bottom coming back to you. What you don't want is going down and hitching up on something. Yeah, the high vis over here so deep, you know. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Don't want to get my feet wet, that's for sure. Elephant likes peanuts, right guys? Always said it. See if we can grab nothing on little Uzuri twitch. Said elephants like peanuts. So trying one of the lures Real Flankers brought me, and something small. This is a fingerling 705. So I'm gonna give this fingerling a shot, like they said. put one of these new lures over there, guys. Let's see what it's all about. We're making shore fishing. Ooh, swims real nice, guys. That's what's up. Yeah, buddy. Nothing. Got anything? Huh? Yeah, man, I want the deepest river out there, man. I'm getting chased by little jacks and all kinds of little fish. I'm not getting any hits though. I'm gonna cast the sides and see what I can get on the sides here. You alright, bro? Yeah. What, your lead's tangled up? You wanna try something else? Try this jig head. Connect it in here, in this loop. Yeah, and then try that swim plastic, but you bounce it off the bottom. Yeah guys, so we out with Real Flankers. Brought me some new lures. Actually testing these new lures out right now. River testing more like it. See if I can pick anything up. Oh, something's just chasing these fish just now. Hey, Top Water works here too. You hear? Top Water lures work here too. Poppers? Yeah, poppers work and Top Water bombers. You just have to try whichever one they pick up on, you know what I mean? Sometimes these fish are funny, especially the Jamaican fish. Them color funny, you know. They're funny about colors, depends on what you throw at them. Sometimes they will love a pink, they will love a white, they will love a blue. I'm just chucking anything I can at them right now. Try this deep diver real quick. Or twitch bait. Yo bro, fishing that's about 40-50 pounds, you know? Eh? Yeah man. Red and white, the turbo man. Why they're swimming like this, but hook caught on line. Let me check the swim on it first before I send it far. Oh, ratted. See them there? In the same part, you look wild. Eh? A whole bunch of fish coming your way, bro. Yeah. New lures look good, guys. Look at this. Look how pretty that looks. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. Say lure look tough, flankers. Huh? Lure look sweet. Yeah. Let's see if some people come. I seen some fish come your way a while ago. Some big fish too. At least 1 pound each. Yeah. 3 of them just passed a while ago. Oh, if you carried on.
Yo, make you carry back fish.
Oh! Yeah. We were supposed to be out at 5. I end up getting up late. I'm getting up late if you did call me. And this man called me and wake me up. None of these bad boys are under them bushes. Because they always hide under them bushes, you know. Yeah. I send out this and make it float and go on out with the current. Yeah. And then once I see it go out further, work it back from there. This don't dive, so it's not going to give me no issues. out there. Out there, guys. Let it run with the current. Switch this off real quick, guys. Go with something different. 2. Huh? Okay. How much expenses for them?
Depends on which one of the fish you are target.
Mm.
You have to buy the soft plastic them, you know.
Yeah.
You want to bite them up.
Hey, me catch flounder yesterday, you know?
Yeah?
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 Some pretty one, them prettier than the one in my farm, you fart.
Yeah, man.
Some blue color sitting in them.
Yeah. People did see one guy on a video catch one.
If you go up on my channel, it's supposed
Some black.
they're not dark as the one in my foreign.
Yeah. Up top they have the winter and the summer. The winter one is smaller.
Yeah.
They're more smaller.
I'm back at it again. What time is it? I'm limited to now. I forgot work. Ross, at 8:30.
Yeah.
9 o'clock, my video work. See me going out there, so now. Right, did you see that? Look there.
Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah.
See size long jaw, we're still out this par. The lighter your line, the further your cast be, you hear?
Yeah.
The heavier your line be, the shorter your cast be. Now run 10 pound and more and go 8 and 6 from the other day. Out there. That's a good 40 yard, 50 yard cast right there, so you know. Take care back fish. You have got top of Fisherman Beach right there, so. Right up the road, right behind me, man.
Load up.
Now, man, link me G there, you'll get some fish up there, so, man.
You know the next spot I done this up. I chop them for the front.
Right at Reading there, so. Yeah, man, I'm a G there, man. I'm a bridge in HQ, that dark dive.
Yeah.
A dark dive HQ.
Yeah. See how man.
Yeah. I'm a G that one. Yeah. I saw that man stay, you know. Nothing, bro. No hits. What time you left tomorrow?
For me? About 2.
You not even?
Yeah.
You can't go fishing in the morning, man. You can't
go fishing.
You can't go fishing in the morning. But yo, look here now. We can go dead end. White House, One Man Beach.
Yeah.
We can't do them the place, man.
Yeah.
You can go fishing in the morning early. I know it's a Saturday morning, a sure thing for me. 100%. That's my Saturdays is designed just for that.
Yeah.
And we not even have to go in night time. We can come back down here, so. Yeah, guys. As you guys seen, we out with real flankers. The battery is almost dead on this camera. I'm gonna have to charge it. But we didn't pick anything up. Lost a good spoonwort that real flankers gave me. And I don't know what's up, guys. This morning just seems a bit, I see the bait fish out there, but nothing's picking up. So I don't know what's going on with them today. So stay tuned. We're gonna try again tomorrow morning to make a hookup video for you guys where we can hook up on something good. Hopefully we can get a good spot tomorrow. So stay tuned for that, guys. Big up yourself, Jamaican shore fishing and real flankers. We outside, guys. Definitely doing our thing. And stay tuned for the next epic hookup, alright? Big up yourself.